Ew. Call me ugly. On Christmas morning. Hey. Oh.
Yeah, you went in there to get the concealer. And
I did.
Complaining.
I did go in there to get the concealer, so I went in there.
This is the concealer?
Yeah, but I couldn't find it, so I got my lip oil.
What?
Where's my clip? Oh, it's right here. Why did you just got me? What's in here?
Where I put the eyebrow pencil.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today today's Christmas. We don't have anything planned for Christmas. So I thought, why not give you guys a Christmas holiday makeup look that you guys might want to do. I don't know. You don't have to do it. I'm not saying you have to. I watch a lot of makeup artists do their makeup, but most of them are white, so I don't really see black makeup artists do Christmas looks. So if you think you are my skin tone or close to my skin tone, I have all these products here that match me. If you guys want to go out and buy them, they are all drugstore products, so they're very cheap. I mean, I wouldn't buy them all at one time.
Because you always spend in the bag.
Yeah, you would spend about $200 on it. But, so get a few to start with, you know. That's what I did, and then just kept building it up. So, yeah. But yeah, I haven't really done a full glam makeup look in a while. And, like, full coverage, all that. So I thought, why not do it? I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. Today my eyebrows are gonna be really, no, they're not gonna be really dark, but they're gonna be dark. So I always start with the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow.
Whoa. She has no more eyebrow.
Are you literally fucking kidding me?
That wasn't me. I always last time I put on makeup.
What am I supposed to do with this? Look at that.
Oh my god. Do you like a more dewy look or dry? Like, not dry, matte.
If I'm doing a natural look, dewy is where it's at. But if it's like a full glam, I like matte.
What?
Okay guys, now we're gonna conceal.
Can I copy me?
My brows. I use this Rimmel London Lasting Finish 24-Hour Breathable Foundation in the shade Golden Honey as my eyebrow concealer. It's very light.
I didn't tell them. Brush eyebrows over. Brush this over.
Are you really close with this?
Bro. Okay.
If you see my last makeup video, you know that I started doing all the concealer, blush, highlighter stuff under my foundation. Today I'm not gonna do that, mainly because I'm going for a full coverage look. For my foundation, I use the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 530. I use 1.5 pumps.
Oh, you have a exact measurement?
Yes. I always start with 1 pump because you don't need to start out with extra shit. And I use a foundation brush to apply it to my face. I don't put a lot of foundation on my nose because I do contour and conceal it. So there's no reason for me to do that. Okay, and then I get half a pump to put this on my forehead. I never put a lot of foundation on my forehead, ever, because it's not necessary. And my neck. For my concealers, I'm going to be using 3 different concealers, which sounds like a lot, I know, but
I think I want to use a half of that.
It's fine. Okay, so first I start with this Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. And it's a full coverage concealer. And it's in the shade Golden Caramel. And I put this directly under my eyes. And then I go in with this Pure Mineral Black Kiss concealer. Actually, wow.
If you put this directly on your face, I don't understand.
And then I go in with this Almay Skin Perfecting Comfort Concealer in the shade Dark. And this is literally my skin color, so I use this.
Why don't you use this as your foundation?
So I use this right under the other concealer to help blend it. Now we're gonna blend. Did you use it for powder?
What did I use?
This.
No, use this.
For my contour, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 360. I'm gonna contour my nose. We're gonna cream contour. I don't normally cream contour. Or going for a look. I'm going to be using a bunch of different palettes. I'm
Girl, chill out.
growing my eye polish collection.
Your eye polish.
My eye. So for the first color, I'm gonna go in with Saffron as my crease color.
Judgmental person. Judging everybody. Judge yourself.
I honestly think eyeshadow is one of my strong suits in makeup. I do a lot of creative eyeshadow looks. Might put some pictures up here, might not. Sometimes I don't really do all that. But I do a lot of eyeshadow looks. I used to, anyway. I'm gonna go in with this.
Yeah,
cool.
You're gonna do it with that, yeah.
With this color right here. Actually, no. I'm gonna go with this one first, and then go with that one.
Yo, this blue stuff all over this, and if this gets on my makeup, I'm really gonna be upset. So I'm gonna wipe off as much as I can.
I'm also gonna take a smaller brush to go under my eyes. I normally don't put eyeshadow under my eyes because it makes me look. I think it makes me look weird. So I'm gonna take the same color, put it right here, and put it under my eyes. I'm not gonna put it all the way under. I'm just gonna stop right here. Zoom in, Faith. I'm gonna go in with Turkish Delight and put it right beside the other
I
color.
thought you was doing green.
Damn, don't worry about what I'm doing. Focus on your look. So when I go in with this one, it would kind of bring out the pinks in this color. And not just focus on the brown in this color. I'm gonna bring it right beside the color and blending it out into the crease. And I'm using one brush because I'm using one brush because it will make the ombre more seamless instead of just using different brushes and then blending out with another brush. You could just use one brush and then it will just make it easier for the colors to blend together. I'm gonna go back in with this dark color just to blend it out top before a little bit. Now we're gonna go back in and go under the eyes like before with the other color. Stop looking at me.
I'm not looking at you, bro. I was not looking at you. Nobody.
You literally just looked at me.
I was looking at you for a second. I was not trying to do nothing.
Using the same brush, now we're gonna go with this purpley pink color and put it right next to that burgundy
I'm taking
color.
Twilight and I'm putting it on the lash.
I'm going with this color right here. Just a dip.
You say just never mind.
And blend it out the top part of the eyes to make it nice and seamless. Now it is time for my favorite part, the cut crease slash shimmer part. It's not a really cut crease, it's more of an ombre crease thing. So we're gonna take a little bit of concealer, put it right where no eyeshadow is at. Right there. It's literally right there. We're gonna go into my Deck of Scarlet palette and take we're gonna go into my Twilight and Dust palette and take this brush right here, and we're gonna take Eden, which is a gold shimmer, gold metallic, sorry. And we're gonna put it right next to this pink purple thing. Now we're gonna take Gold Dust from my Deck of Scarlet palette. I'm gonna show you this swatch. It's a greeny gold. Then we're gonna take that and put it directly into my inner corner. Same thing under the eyes. Green right there in the inner corners, and we're also gonna put it under.
Oh, I was done with mine.
The brown bone. Then we're done with the eyeshadow. This is how it turned out. Zoom in. Since I didn't put any powder on my face, we're gonna go in with the cream blush that I have and put it right. Since we have a Christmas look, I'm gonna put a lot because then I'm gonna put some of this liquid, cream highlighter. We're gonna set under my eyes. Don't get too close to. I need my bronzer more. Our freaking.
Oh, there we go. It's back on, guys.
Guys, our power just went out for a second. Now we're gonna go in with blushy blush.
Then we're gonna go to bottom lashes. I don't care for bottom lashes, but today we'll do it. Because why not?
And to highlight, I'm gonna be taking this white color from the Deck of Scarlet palette. I promise you it's not as white, it's actually gold. But it looks like.
Okay. Next I'm going with my lip oil. This is the best stuff. If you don't want a sticky lip gloss, this is the best stuff. I need to do something. Y'all, the light is out again. It's out again! They're back on.
Okay.
They're back out.
Mom! Would you be quiet? There we go.
Oh, there we go. Put it here. This is our finished look.
Oh, I don't even have earrings in. But this is my finished look. Sorry guys, our freaking power went out. I'm very happy with it. It looks way better off camera than it does on the camera. But yeah. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.
Look at you.
Strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing